Hey guys, Ravinder here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing, a setup, and a test of the AirTag. Yep, I got one, so let's get right into it. So we have it here, AirTag, and we just go to the bottom of the box here. Open it out. See what we have here. AirTag. Open out the packaging here now. We have instructions. It's always a great unboxing experience with Apple products. And then we have the AirTag pin in the middle here. Bottom of it there. Apple logo on it. Some plastic. We're just gonna peel that off. Nice. Right. There's also a pull tab here. So now I think it made a sound that it's kind of activated there. There we have it, the AirTag. Apple logo. Simple, pretty simple instructions. Everything here. So I guess the thing would be now to just bring my iPhone close to the AirTag, and with Apple Magic it's supposed to automatically read it. There we go. AirTag connect, and it's asking me what do I want to AirTag. So there's different options here. I would choose, so there's a lot of options. There's backpack, bike, camera. Pretty soon I'll get one for my camera for sure. Handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, custom name. So I'm just gonna go with keys for the while. Click here, continue. Register AirTag to your Apple ID. Yep, continue. Grab his keys, it's setting it up. Yeah. All the different options here. Finding, play sound, notify when left behind, and then you just click done, and I guess that's it. AirTag has, been set up. Okay guys, so now that we have this set up to the iPhone, let's take it outside and put it to the test. So I have the AirTag hooked up to my keys here, and I'm gonna hide it in the couch over there, right? And then we're gonna use the iPhone to see if we can locate the keys, right? So let's go. Yeah. Typical place where keys might be misplaced, between the couch here. Right, and walk back over here. Right. I'll open the Find My app on my iPhone, and there we have it. We've seen the keys somewhere there. So let's find nearby. Let's see. 9 feet away. Let's go following it. And it's saying go this way. Nearby, and the keys are here. Nice. AirTag found, and we could also play a sound. It's not a very loud song, but it's cool. Right, so for this next test, I'm gonna put the keys in the fridge. I wanna have some fun and see if the iPhone would locate it there. I'm gonna put it deep down inside the beer case here. Close it. Pull out the iPhone. And let's see. Items. Key. So we're gonna look again and see if we could find it in the fridge. Searching for signal. Try moving to a different location. Okay. It's saying connected, signal is weak, so 17 feet away, 16 feet. Okay. Okay, so it's actually showing the arrow now. And then I don't know the keys are in the fridge. Alright, so the arrow came up there. So I'm just going, okay. Yeah, bye. It found it! Keys in fridge. Anyway guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video testing on the AirTag. Pick up one so you don't lose your keys. You can attach it to your camera, put it in your car, to your backpack, and maybe your wife as well. Anyway, bye.